Today I'm gonna explain to you how to create Quora account. So the first step is to simply go to Quora.com, and then as you can see you have here this option to log in into your account or simply create your account. So if you want, you can use your Google or Facebook account, or you can simply click on sign up with email, and then you're gonna have to simply enter your name. So I'm gonna enter something random, and then you're gonna have to simply enter your email address. I'm gonna copy my email and then I'm gonna enter it here, then click on next, and now we need to confirm our email address. So simply copy this code and then click on next. Then you're gonna have to simply create your password, and then simply click on I'm not a robot and click on finish. Now we're gonna get redirected here. We're gonna have to simply choose 5 different topics. So I'm gonna go with technology, science, history, books, and let's see, one more. Let's go with finance and click on next. Then here, as you can see, what other language do you know? So if you want, you can select multiple languages, and basically you're gonna see other questions in other languages, and basically that's all you have to do in order to create your Quora account. Now if you want, you can basically start asking things or start answering. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.